Want to change the server location in Hostinger? In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to do it quickly and easily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then, click on Websites and select Website List from the menu. Next, choose any website from your business web hosting list and click on the Dashboard button next to it. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Hosting Plan option in the menu panel. Click on it, then click on Plan Details. On this page, you'll find the Server Details tab. Here, you'll see a pencil icon to edit the server location. Click on it to change the location, and a drop-down list will appear with various server location options. Choose the one you prefer. For example, North America, USA is recommended. Once you select a new location, simply click Next. And that's it. You've successfully changed your server location in Hostinger. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. And want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you next time.